On top AAU Ambrose University matter, Obaseki don sign new law. Im ready Gidigba to intervene for Ambrose University Wahala. Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki don sign into law the bill wey give am as visitor to Ambrose University AAU Ekpoma the power to intervene on the wahala wey don dey on since for the university. After he signed the bill for inside Government House, Obaseki con thank the Speaker and the leadership of Edo State House of Assembly for dem support towards the amendment of the University Act of 1999. He come also assure dem say he go take all the steps wey dey required to enable the state government reposition the state university.
I want to thank you immensely for the interest you have shown and the support you have given to us by passing the amendment to the Ambrose University Act of 1999, empowering the visitor to intervene with the aim of repositioning the Ambrose University. You, just like all of us in Edo, have witnessed the very sad and unfortunate situation that have engulfed the premier state university, which had blazed a trail in terms of academic excellence in this country when it was established 40 years ago. But unfortunately, in the last decade or so, the performance of our university has fallen below the expectation of its founding fathers and our own expectations. With the amendment that you have graciously enacted, the visitor now has the full authority without encumbrance of the law to now undertake a surgical cleansing of our own university. And be rest assured that we will take all the required positive steps to reposition the Ambrose University to become that citadel of learning which our founding fathers meant it to be.
Governor Obaseki con say dem go continue to put ogbonge structure for the management of affairs of the university, as e be say the school na the state pride.
We are going to do all we can to stamp out the mediocrity that we see in parts of the university and put in place a proper governance structure, accountability and transparency in the management of the affairs of Ambrose University. That university is our pride, and it is rather unfortunate and ironic that just as, at the same time as the Dozo University in Iyamo, a new university, is gaining laurels and recognition nationally, the same cannot be said of the Ambrose University, which is much older, which should have a better tradition of excellence and performance. So I want to assure you, Mr. Speaker, and members of the Edo State House of Assembly, that we will do all within our powers and all within the powers you have given us to undertake a thorough cleansing of our university.
The Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Marcus Onubu, said dem dey there to present the special intervention bill, as dem believe say the governor go fit bring serious educational reforms.
Myself and leadership of the Edo State House of Assembly are here this evening to present to you a bill conferring the powers of special intervention on the Ambrose University. The bill was passed by the 7th Assembly, conferring on you as the visitor of the Ambrose University to intervene on the crisis that is rocking the university. Members looked at the bill extensively and they all spoke in favor with the hope and belief and expressing confidence in your ability to intervene and bring about serious educational reforms to the university to make the university a very competitive one in sub-Saharan Africa. Your Excellency, with me are clean copies of the bill for your assent, Your Excellency.
The ogbonge people wey dey for the meeting na Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki, Secretary to State Government Osaradio Oge Esquire, Speaker Edo State House of Assembly Right Honourable Marcus Onubu, Clerk Edo State House of Assembly Alhaji Audu Yahaya Omogbai, among others. Dis one na the ogbonge informate wey TMC TV carry come give una on top AAU Ambrose University matter. My name na Chidima Anichukwu from Benin.